balls and a strike. Pence grounds to short for Kozma. Guides it across, 1 out. Hey, what's the talk in the dugout about that takeout slide at second base by Holiday?
Tough spot. We're just happy that hopefully that falls. We're just pumped that Scudero's all right. That could have been real nasty.
Here's a double by Brandon Belt with 1 out as he dropped it down the line and left. Here's a 0-1. Chopped over the head of Freeze. Belt will hold, and it's first and third, 1 out.
It sounded like you could see that from your angle, Matt.
Up in a lot of situations throughout the season has been pretty awesome.
Here's a run scoring. That gets away not far enough. Safe at first is Crawford, and the Giants lead 2-1 on 2 infield chops.
Alan Craig did not know who was going to field the ball. Watch him move in to make the play. Carpenter feels it. By the time Craig gets back, he can't find the bag. The ball eludes him. Descalso makes the play, and the Giants take the lead.
And that bunt is picked up by Craig for out number 2. And the runners advance to second and third. Bases loaded. With 2 out. Base hit into left center. 2 runs are going to score. Holiday kicks it, and now 3 runs will score. Scudero delivers in the 4th.
And that's why you don't pitch around Pagan.
This one is Freeze to his left to Rob Sandoval. Remember in the first, Scudero was taken out by Holiday on that slide at second. From the grimace to the euphoria